Truffle's got something. Truffle's proud. He said, I got something. Flower's mad. She was thinking she was gonna. She's guarding it. She's running everybody off.
I know, but she's going in it. She's normally scared of mess like that.
There's food in the bottom.
Oh.
Look at her now. Look at her snout.
Yeah. I can't believe Ziggy don't smell that. He might be sleeping.
Oh, look, he's trying to get that back from Sugar. And Sugar walked off. Ooh, here comes the ball flew out. Ziggy's like, ooh, I got a ball. Yay.
Look at her.
Flower's gonna kill the...
She's a killer. Look.
She's a ferocious beast. Everybody's like, I don't understand.
Baby's scared. Look at her.
Aw,
Baby. What is you, baby bird?
I bet we can make baby not scared. We'll dump it. Flower, you're the only one getting to enjoy everything. Alright. Santa's sack is going to be dumped. Woo! Alright. Now Santa's sack is empty.
Look at baby got something.
Did she?
Look at her. She got a little pink thing. Look at her. Oh, she's going in the crib with it. That's it. Look at Sharon.
Sharon said, what is all this?
What is it, old woman?
Be nice, Flower. Look, there's all kinds of stuff, guys. Come on, everybody gets something. Everybody gets something. It's a puppy party. Yes. Flower. Be nice. Share. There's a bunch of stuff here, see?
She got that bone.
Oh, I see that. There's 3 of them in there.
Flower should be mighty careful with Sugar, though.
She should be. Sugar is the queen.